guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bilkesh and I wish you a great day ahead. So the morning started with this pigeon coming and knocking on my window sill, and I couldn't let the guy in. So yeah, Millie has been well fed. It's a Sunday morning and I do have a lot of plans for today. And it goes without saying, but first, coffee. I won't be having breakfast because there's a brunch planned. I'm just being brave and I'm going to use this. This is country bin. Okay. Smells amazing. Tastes bad. Okay, so I'm off my periods and I'm going to show a lot of skin here because I feel like बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है मतलब it's the body is so magical, you know. It shrinks back after periods. So my coffee is almost ready and I'm going to have my coffee and I'll set the day right. Not bad. It's a lot bitter, but it's see, it smells good. It's divine. It's vanilla, caramel जैसा smell है. But taste wise, it's okay, fine. So I'm just going to have this coffee and I'll probably get ready and head out. See you. Like I said, a lot of skin today because I'm feeling it and sexy. So anyway, let's go to church now. We are waiting for the cab. एक कैब ड्राइवर ऐसा मिला था लाइक ही वॉज लिटरली फोर्सिंग अस कि हम लोग ऑफलाइन जाए सो दैट ही कैन यू नो हैव द होल प्रॉफिट टू हिम ऐसा बट देन प्लीज़ आजकल दिन ऐसा है क्या ही किसी को ट्रस्ट करे यार सो वी हैव टू बुक लाइक द थर्ड टाइम एंड हियर वी आर द चर्च लुक्स सो गुड सो डिवाइन इट्स जस्ट ब्यूटिफुल और मैं इस चर्च में एकदम 7-8 साल पहले आई थी विथ फैमिली and I'm coming to a church after 6 years because मैं ज़्यादा church कभी visit ही नहीं की although I'm Christian but then on a very personal level since childhood temple churches masjid gurdwara any of these places holy places never made me differentiate between the religion okay I can visit wherever I like just to pray to my God the divine energy, the supreme power that I believe in, and that is it for me. No places as such, you know, set a right tone when it comes to religion for me. So that is it. I have enjoyed visiting church after so long. My eyes opened out because I have tried cancelling this plan so much, but then somehow I reached this place. So I call it a God's way, and I loved sitting here for some time. And amazing, it was amazing. So after that Akanksha and I plan to visit this country house बोल के cafe है here for our brunch. Amazing aesthetic cafe that we were actually looking for to click some pictures and all of it plus some good food. I was really hungry so I wanted a good food plus it was so hot outside. I had to have a good nice cold coffee with sugar because oh my god I was craving for it and sometimes it's fine so yes Akansha is clicking all these videos without even me knowing while I was busy ordering food she hardly cares about ordering her food and like she's fine I know her taste so well so I know what she likes what she doesn't so that way we ordered plus it had this cafe is pretty cool looking but then they can really work on their food menu but there is hardly any choices there so yeah lip balm is a must and good conversation is a must and that is how our food looks great cold coffee I just ordered the plain classic cold coffee she ordered Vietnamese cold coffee I ordered myself a grilled chicken platter and she ordered some spaghetti and that is it so you won't believe after having our brunch and getting back home I was at home for 2 hours feeding Millie spending some time with her and then my boyfriend and I planned to go for a lunch so this was also pre-planned so anyway I had great brunch, amazing. So वो feeling तो था, so that is why a very late lunch. So by the time we reached here in this tribal sort of a vibe restaurant called Dhamsha here in Newtown, it's amazing looking, great service, great food. So we decided to come here, enjoy their tribal cuisine, and it's amazing. I really wanted to have panta bhat, but they were not there. So we went ahead with their usual thali, which is so much similar to what is being cooked in my home when it comes to small fish and chicken. It's very similar tasting. It was amazing. This is what the view looks like. It's like village sort of vibe. एकदम बहुत अच्छा लगा. I have never seen such a nice restaurant kind of a theme ever anywhere. I think it exists in Bali, but then long way to go. But then here it's amazing. Bali के साथ compare करना, I don't know, but they did pretty good. Like with the vibe, they did pretty good. And so we were ordering food. It was almost 4, and by the time our food was coming, we decided to click some videos and photos and create the memories. I really love creating memories, and जब हम and just keep watching them. It's just never ending. I love it. So after that, थोड़ा pictures वगैरह click करने के बाद, here is our lunch. Amazing spread. They have fish, they have chicken curry, they have rice, dal, some sort of vegetable, bhajis, and they have chutneys, which is amazing. It was so good. मतलब मेरा तो it's soul touching. I am still salivating because मुझे फिर से जाना है और खाना है, but it's really far. So yeah, it takes 45 to an hour, but then in this hot weather, it will literally sweat you out. So कभी कभी ठीक है, बनता है. And this is their red rice payesh, if I'm not wrong, and it was tasty, honestly. And their variety of chicken was amazing. मतलब oh my god, it was so finger-licking good. So we were having lunch. I saved some chicken pieces for this little dog, and I fed him. I was really scared to feed him, so he did amazing, and he was so happy. लेकिन एक चीज़ हुआ, like there was this restaurant का manager who came and उसको ना कैसे भगा रहे थे. So I told him like it's okay, we are not facing any problem. He's just sitting here. I can easily give him food and he can eat, and this won't bother. This is not supposed to bother anybody. So there is listened to me very kindly, and there he was. He ate his food and he left. So after coming back home, by the time we reached home, it was around 7:30, and we took Millie out on a walk because throughout the day Millie को मतलब I was not with her much. मैं सुबह निकल गई थी. फिर around that time my boyfriend was there for say 3 hours. Then he left. Then I was there. उसके बाद फिर से हम दोनों निकल गए for almost 3 hours. So इसलिए मिली के साथ थोड़ा सा क्वालिटी टाइम. एंड देन आई गॉट सम Blinkit orders because I had nothing in the fridge and I have to cook something tomorrow, plus Milli's food as well. So got some stuff, and here is this chocolava cake from Mio Amore because period cravings, I hate them. But then something really happens to me during periods that I crave things that I really don't like. And I got this lip balm and perfume from Renee. They're amazing. Millie is well fed and back to her favorite woman. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till this far. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and show your support and love and interact in the comment section. And also follow me on Instagram for more such amazing healthy recipes, fashion content, and daily vlogs. Thank you so much.